Hi, I'm Jake, and this is Math for Journalists, Zero Sums. So what is a zero sum? A lot of times this happens when we're covering a legislative body, like, say, the United States Senate, the ASCSU Senate, the Colorado House of Representatives, or maybe even our own city council or county commission. So what we're talking about here is, when we're talking about how you need to get votes from one side to another. So let's say in our hypothetical situation here, we have a vote coming up in the US Senate over a new coronavirus aid bill. We have 48 senators who support the bill, 52 senators who do not. How many votes need to be flipped to pass the legislation? So you might be thinking, oh, this is some simple, subtraction. 52 minus 48 is 3. But when you have a zero sum game like this, remember that whatever you take from one side, a plus from to one side is a negative for the other. So in this case, the answer would be 3. The difference between pass and fail is 4 votes. There are 100 senators, and everyone gets 1 vote. So every vote the pass side takes from the fail side increases the chance of the voting passing. So in that case, because you have a 4 vote difference, you only have to get 3 in order to suddenly find yourself on the right side. If you get 2, you're going to have a tie. And, if you're talking about the Senate, then, you wait for the Vice President of the United States to cast the tiebreaker. But yeah, that's zero sum game. So a few other scenarios where we see zero sum games, first of all, is in sports standings, right? So every time a team wins, that's essentially a loss for another team, and whoever has the best winning percentage usually is the conference champion. So sports standings are something where you'll see that, especially in baseball. Caucusing. So when you're trying to take a group of dedicated voters and literally move them from one side of a high school gym to another, for in-purpose caucusing or in-person caucusing, I should say. Voting can be like that as well. If you only have so many people who are likely to vote, you want to get as many of those as you can, and any of them that you lose is most likely going to your opponent. And then, of course, like I said, the makeup of legislative bodies, whether it be at the local, state, or national level. And that's all I have for you on the zero sum game. Thanks, everybody. See you next time.